No reward app has a perfect experience for every user, so the better way to compare apps is by checking how clearly they explain rewards, requirements, and payout steps. By the end, you'll know how to evaluate reward apps, what signs show a platform is worth trying, and how to avoid apps that create unnecessary problems. The first thing to check is transparency. A reward app should clearly explain how users earn rewards and what actions are required. Before spending time on any app, open the rewards section and read the rules. This helps you understand what activities count and what conditions need to be completed. The second thing to check is the reward system. Different apps use different methods, including tasks, surveys, games, or other activities. Look for apps that make progress easy to track. A progress system helps you understand whether your time is moving toward an actual reward. The third thing to check is the redemption process. A reliable reward app should explain how rewards are claimed and what steps are required. Before completing many tasks, check the available redemption options and any requirements connected to receiving rewards. User feedback can also help you identify common issues. Look for repeated complaints about unclear rules, missing rewards, or problems with account access. A few negative reviews can happen with any service, but repeated complaints about the same issue are worth paying attention to. Another useful step is testing an app before committing too much time. Complete a few tasks, check how the reward tracking works, and see whether the app matches what it promises. Avoid using multiple reward apps without understanding each one. Too many accounts can make it harder to track progress and rewards. The best reward apps are usually the ones that keep the process simple. They explain how earning works, show your progress clearly, and make redemption steps easier to follow. A reward app should not require you to guess how the system works. The information you need should be available before you start spending time. To summarize, check reward rules, review redemption steps, and test apps before investing significant time. Your next step is to compare a few reward apps and choose the one with the clearest process. If this guide helped you find better reward apps, like the video and subscribe for more practical earning guides.